Now some historic news surrounding stem cells and repairing your heart. A cutting-edge stem cell treatment is now providing healing for heart attack victims. And Chief Medical Correspondent Dr. Sanjay Gupta is live with more on this. Pretty incredible. You know, my husband is obsessed with all of this, and we were talking about it last night. He said, you better be talking to Sanjay about this tomorrow morning.
We've been talking about the promise of stem cells for so long, but people have really yet to see it in action specifically. So this is a pretty fascinating study. It really proved two things. First of all, that this could be done safely. It's always the first question. And second, that it provided some benefit. It's a small study, but it was pretty interesting.
What did we see?
Well,
what exactly happened?
Let me show you, because we created an animation, because I think this really speaks to the point a little bit. What they did here specifically, take a look, is they actually went into a patient who had had a moderate or severe heart attack. It means heart muscle had died. They went in there with a little catheter here, so it's pretty non-invasive. We're not talking about open heart surgery. And they take a little bit of healthy muscle there, Kira. They take that out just like that. Take that back out. Now, that's healthy tissue, and the idea is, can we grow this in a Petri dish, create millions of cells out of just a few, and then subsequently put that back into the heart? Again, the first question is, when you inject these stem cells back in, is it going to cause a problem? Is it unsafe in some way? And what they found was when they injected this back in, there was no unexpected side effects, and they started to see some benefit.
So bottom line, what does this mean for my dad, the heart patient?
What we used to think, and this is how I learned in medical school, decades ago, was that once heart muscle died, it was gone.
Right.
It wasn't coming back. This throws a little bit of cold water on that theory. Now, what they found was about a 50% reduction in scar. Again, nothing has ever done that before, so significant there. But it was a small study, just 25 patients. 17 had stem cells, 8 did not, and they wanted to compare the two groups. The real question for your dad and for others out there is that besides a good-looking heart scan with less scar, is his heart working better? Is it going to function better, pump harder, let him get upstairs without losing his breath, all that sort of stuff? And that remains to be seen. That's where the research is headed next. It's not instantaneous by any means, but the idea that people might get some of that heart function back is pretty promising.
That's great.